Hello guys, and welcome to our next video. In this video we are going to add some some code change to use a hard cascade, the built-in functionality in the OpenCV for doing primitive face detection, eye detection, and the mouse detection. It's not an efficient way. There's a way more speedy and efficient methods to achieve the same task. Again, we are not going to show the best practices of this face detection and some sort of things, related things. The aim here is to add an extra load to our frame loading process. Let's start with making and restructuring our code again. And first thing, I want to separate this datetime timestamp adding functionality to its own function, and for this reason I'm going to create this utils folder and put inside the folder the add datetime .py, and like so I want to grab this code and add here. So def add timestamp to frame, and it will accept the frame itself. Then the code changes, and it's not a that's it. And I need to return this changed frame. So again, we will need to import CV2 as CV and import datetime. That's it for. So we are cleaning this the main py file and storing only relevant code here. And the next thing is doing actual face detection. So I'm going to again create new face detection.py file here, and again import CV2 as CV and import OS. So I will use it and import import OS and def run face detection. Again, it will accept the frame, and this is all standard and the code portions that I have grabbed from the documentation itself. And I did some small changes, but the idea is there's an XML file, there's a cascade classifier class. You are passing these XML files and it will give the object itself. Then I'm going to detect the faces here. Then inside the faces, so this is the coordinates of the faces, and I'm going to do and smile detection and eye detection as well. So we have detected the faces. Inside the faces we are going to add the rectangle of the face into this frame. Then we have detected the eyes, and again we are going to add this rectangle now inside the row region of interest, the colored region of interest inside this rectangle. And then smile, if the smile is detected, we are going to add this bounding box, a rectangle of the smile of the mouse into this region of interest as well. And again, we are going to return this frame. So what remains? So we have grabbed the frame. Remaining things that we need to from utils add datetime import add timestamp to frame, and from utils face detection import run. It should be run. No. Why it's not detected? Nice. Yeah. So we have grabbed the frame. Now it's time to add the timestamp to the frame, and then pass this frame, return stamped frame to the face detection as an argument. So it should do the trick, I assume, and then the remaining thing is just showing the frame. So that's it. Let's test. Let's test, of course. Let's see if it works or not. Nice. So as you feel, so this lag is starting to show itself as a point out. I'm talking, but it's as you see that there is a lag, and the face detection itself works. The eye detection works. The only remaining thing, like if it's, I don't know, smile. How it can smile that it can detect that I'm smiling. I don't know. Oh yeah, right. This is a smile. So we have already a lag between cameras, roughly 1 second, I assume, and of course this is no real time anymore. So it roughly has 2 or 3 seconds from my voice. So this is the main problem. So we have grabbed the frame. It was real time. Now we have added some extra things: face detection, eye detection, this smile mouse detection. It has added an extra load to the frame, the computation time. Then we return back the frame and show the user. So the between this time time delta, time difference, this is called the lag. So our video is not in real time anymore. So that's the main point, that what we are going to fix. So we need to fix that whenever you want to do, so you are going to run face detection, I don't know, eye detection, smile detection, mouse detection, it should not interfere the real-time streaming of our video. This is where the concurrent programming or parallel programming can work. So we are going to try to fix this issue with Python's IO asynchronous concurrent programming techniques. Yeah, that's it for now, and see you in the next video. Bye.